Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a floor plan and we are also given the scale 1:50, meaning 1 cm on the map is equal to 50 cm on the actual house. The length on the plan is 19 cm. Find the actual one in meters. So this is what Mr. Tan will do. Mr. Tan will actually go back to the question. Map is to actual with 1 cm is to 50 cm. And since they want to give in meter, I would actually convert the 50 cm into meter. By dividing by 100, that will give me 0.5 meter. And from here, now I know that on the map, 1 cm represents 0.5 meter. Then I will be able to solve for the actual length. Easily, because 1 cm is 0.5 meter. So how long is 19? Yep, I just need to multiply 9.5 meter. Done. As for part B, notice we are talking about area. And therefore, at this point, we do need to have the area scale. And again, I notice that it is given in meter. So for Mr. Tan, right? Mr. Tan already saw that we have successfully converted to meter. In part A, I'm going to just continue to use that. And I'm going to just square my scale in order to find my area scale. So this will be 0.25 meter square, and this is what we call my area scale. This is really important. This is an important step 1. And once I get that, then I know already. 1 cm square on the map represents 0.25 meter square on the actual. So, what is the area of the kitchen? On this plan? Yep, I just need to have 7.8 divided by 0.25, and that will give me how many cm square? On the map. And we have come to the end of this solving of this problem. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Mr. Tan, as always, happy to solve math problems with everyone.